The best mocha and chocolate cake.
This mocha and chocolate cake is moist, fluffy and packed with chocolate and coffee flavor. Between each layer you will find a rich fudge filling. This cake is frosted with the smooth and silky mocha and chocolate Swiss meringue buttercream, and I bet you will enjoy each bite of this cake.
Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Mocha and chocolate cake sponge ingredients.
If you don't have buttermilk around you, it's very easy to make. Just take 1 cup of full fat milk at room temperature and add in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or white vinegar. Let it set for few minutes until it curdles. Voila! Your buttermilk is ready. The same way you made buttermilk, you can make sour cream. Take half cup of milk cream at room temperature and add in half tablespoon of lemon juice or white vinegar. Let it set for few minutes until it thickens. Your sour cream is ready. The ingredients we need for mocha and chocolate cake are regular sugar 2 2/3 cup or 533 grams. Dutch processed cocoa powder half cup or 50 grams, 3 large eggs at room temperature, vegetable oil 3/4 cup or 177 milliliter, 1 cup or 236 ml buttermilk. You can see how nicely it curdled. Half cup or 120 ml sour cream. You can replace sour cream with full fat yogurt. Baking soda 1 tablespoon. Baking powder 1.5 teaspoons, salt 1 teaspoon, all-purpose flour 3 cups or 360 grams, vanilla extract 1 tablespoon. Take 1 tablespoon espresso coffee and dissolve in 1.5 cups or 355 ml hot boiling water. In a clean and dry bowl, sift together all dry ingredients. For details, please visit my website bakewithaisha.com. I mentioned the link in the description of this video where you will find all the tips and tricks how to make the best moist and fluffy cake. Add sugar in the sifted dry ingredients and mix with spatula. Now add all wet ingredients: eggs, vegetable oil, buttermilk, sour cream and vanilla extract in the dry ingredients and whisk together with electric mixer on the medium speed. After 2 minutes, add espresso coffee in the batter and mix the batter. I'm taking here 6 inches round pan that is 4 inches high, but you can take 3 inches round pan. Pour the batter into the pans and bake for about 40 to 45 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit scale or 180 degrees centigrade or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Remove the cake from the oven and let it cool completely.
Mocha and chocolate Swiss meringue buttercream. Mocha and chocolate Swiss meringue buttercream ingredients.
For mocha and chocolate Swiss meringue buttercream, we need 3 large egg whites at room temperature, 6 ounce or 180 grams regular granulated white sugar, 1 tablespoon espresso coffee powder, 3 ounce dark chocolate, 9 ounce or 250 grams unsalted butter at room temperature and cut it in cubes. Place egg whites and sugar in a clean and dry bowl. Take some water in a pan and bring to boil. When it begins to boil, lower the flame and place the egg whites and sugar bowl over the hot water bath on stove and whisk constantly until you feel a thin strand of egg whites between your fingers, as you can see in the video, for around 3 minutes or when the temperature reaches to 160 Fahrenheit scale. Place the mixture into another clean and dry bowl and whisk on medium to high speed until the meringue is stiff and cooled. You can see how stiff the peak is, and if you turn the bowl down, it will stay stuck to the bowl. Switch on the electric beater and slowly add cubed butter in meringue and mix until smooth. Espresso coffee powder in buttercream and melt the chocolate. Let it come to room temperature and add this melted chocolate in the buttercream. Now whip the buttercream until it becomes smooth. Your mocha and chocolate Swiss meringue buttercream is ready. I filled this cake layers with the chocolate fudge frosting, and this recipe link is given at the top right corner of video, also in the description box. You can fill cake layers with the mocha and chocolate buttercream frosting. Frost the cake with mocha and chocolate Swiss meringue buttercream. Smooth the sides and chill for 20 minutes in the refrigerator. For piping, I am using here 8B large Wilton star tip nozzle and pipe some dollops on top.
Please do like, comment, share the video and subscribe. Bake with Aisha, and don't forget to press the bell icon for upcoming recipes.